I'm not going to make an opening line joke because it bombed yesterday really badly. Instead, I'm going to share with you, if you can labor through my presentation today, then in the last thing in the presentation, I'll give you a special surprise. So I want to kickstart with the fact that retailers are spending trillions of dollars in creating this most amazing and beautiful experiences, and they're laboring through a lot of effort to make that happen, whether it's outdoors, whether it's indoors, or whether it's online. And ultimately, it all comes down to this, right? These brown boxes. That's a uniform experience we all get. So our retail friends basically asked us, like, can you change that? Can we do two things? Number one, can we change the way that consumer is experiencing when the product arrives? And can you compress purchase to unboxing experience? So before we show you how we do it, let me explain to you or show you what we do. So with 2 taps, under 2 minutes, we're able to basically deliver a product right in your hands. And here's what we do. This is a fully autonomous robot. This is Robby 2. This is the best one that's out there yet. So Robby 2 can walk autonomously in the sidewalk without any handling. Is able to climb curbs or sidewalks in this scenario. Is able to navigate itself automatically. So to make that happen, we decided to launch something called Robby Bodega. It's basically a roaming storefront. It's one step from purchase to unboxing, something that's never been done before. The reason we're doing this is because we don't want to have waiting. People love impulse buying. That's a fundamental thing that we do by having these beautiful human experiences so they buy quickly and faster. The other thing that we want to do is we want to make sure that just like you do in retail, you want to be omnipresent. Well, with this, we can do that today. We're able to basically put Robbys everywhere. And you don't need industrial capex. You don't need to spend millions of dollars buying out real estate, building that out, have a huge labor force to make sure that you manage that entire inventory. With Robby, you don't need that. So here's one example of what we're doing. Here's an app. It unlocks the app. You choose the products you want, and then you basically confirm what you want. And instantaneously, they will send you, it responds back and saying, the Robby is near you, and here's how long it's going to take. Within 2 minutes, you're able to see that. When the Robby arrives, you unlock through the app itself, and you're good to go. That's how long it takes to get a product from purchase to delivery. What about human experiences? So unlike the brown boxes you see, this is the way that we basically deliver the product. You customize, you spend so many hours and decades learning and perfecting how to do the human experiences. You can design that within the Robby itself inside. Here are a few examples of that. And from the outset also, you can basically brand the way it is. This is your roaming store. It will be everywhere. It will be able to transact instantaneously. So a little bit about the robot. Again, like I said, it's fully autonomous. It can do any sidewalk in San Francisco, any hill actually in San Francisco. And it can go day and night, so it's 24/7. And from the performance, it's the best performer that's out there. We're able to do basically 3 to 6 miles on an average. The speed is about 10 miles an hour. The cargo volume is anywhere between 35 to 60 pounds. And it can go 20 miles in single charge. But that's not enough. We also made it hot swappable batteries, so within 3 minutes, Robby's out again selling. It's not sitting in this warehouse, not doing anything else. We have different type of out-of-box experiences. We have things like cooling and refrigeration. We have heat packs. We also have live tracking monitoring from a back end. You can also provide the live tracking to your customers. And it's a plug-and-play cargo hold. So if you decide that you want to have certain kind of experiences, you can do that. If you decide you want a different type, we can also do that. And of course, it's completely secure through mobile app. And then the way we sell is we are a Boeing to an airline. So you're an airline, you have B2C engagement. We build a fleet solution. So we provide the hardware and software. We're able to provide this remote security like an IT team managing the entire fleet of robots. And at the same time, we're able to do licensing regulations and provide insurance. Finally, we have a few customers. We are doing a lot of launches coming up in summer. And then our team, from that perspective, robotics is in our DNA. My 2 co-founders are MIT PhDs in robotics. I'm from Apple. We've got at Google. We've got at Watson Dynamics and SR International. So that's Robby Technologies. Like I said, we promised you something special. And since you labored through my presentation, Robby's going to do its first beer run ever. And thanks to Plug and Play. So thank you, everybody. We have a booth out there. Join us.